What's going on, you guys? I am back. I know it's been a while, and I'm sorry I've been busy. I just got a new job, so I've been doing that, but I am back. So today we're headed down to TTI in Ennis, Texas. Got a couple buddies we're going down there with. We have a really good booth spot this year, so we parked up in a really good booth spot, so that'll be nice. We're gonna go get some good content for y'all, show y'all some badass trucks. Should be some cars racing on the strip too, and also some trucks might be racing on the strip, so we'll go see that. And then next video will be my show. What's going on, you guys? So we have made it to West. This is our meetup spot. This is Bryson's truck. He just picked it up. Gonna take it down to TTI. Got the tow pig, and then we're waiting for one more person. We got the lineup over here. I mean, this thing it's massive. Look at this thing. He did really good on this. He just got custom tails, and then he also just got custom headlights made. Check those out real quick. Pretty clean. If y'all need any kind of photography stuff done for trucks, he also has a photography page at That's BT Media, so y'all hit him up. But yeah, so we're here now at Check Stop in West, and then we're gonna go mob out to Ennis, so see y'all there. Got the slab line, we're all together. Time to head out to TTI. Got the tow pig. See y'all there. Alright guys, we have landed in Ennis, Texas at Texas Truck Invasion, so y'all stay tuned. There's some really nice stuff out here.
I might move like a Kobe, but I'm far from a snake. Say I live in the moment, got an expensive taste. She try lie for the money, know that girl on my cake, my chain straight from the ocean, your chain straight from the lake, Slam on her own nail, I do not care how you feel. All my diamonds they tell, white gold but your chain still. Boy you so broke that's real, Armstrong on the money like Neil. Red stripe when I lift my shoe, red bottom on the bottom of her hill. Yeah, we take the top of the forest, take a top up.
the new truck out here. Look at that. Brand new F-250. Hella proud of my brother, dude. That's where it gets you, bro. You grind and grind, that's the success right there. Hell yeah, dude. He's got an F-150 and an F-250.
All right, guys. Y'all give
Clean.
it a second.
Guys, well, that wraps up the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Couldn't be happier. Me and all the guys, we took home awards, which is awesome because usually at shows like this, I mean, I don't mean to say like this, but you get drowned out by the big $1 million, $100,000 builds, so it's hard to stick out. But I appreciate everyone that watches, everyone that sends my videos out and subscribes. I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm sorry. I know I got lazy for a while, but I'll be coming back out with more videos. Like I said, next one, Cars and Coffee. I'll split that between this one, and then we'll put it with the Waco Throwdown video. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna start editing. Yeah, see my boy. Oh, he already broke it. So that's why you can't give him nice things. So we're gonna go back to Waco, throw a pool party, have some fun. I'll celebrate. I'll catch y'all later. See y'all the next one. Peace.
Bitch, I got it out the most. You wanna fight on toss? I'm talking about